It's an early one this morning. We are heading to a reservation at the Wilderness Lodge for breakfast. We are going to Whispering Canyon Café for their breakfast skillets, I guess. That's what they are. I mean, whatever.
There's multiple things on the menu, but yeah.
But it is one of the 40% off annual pass holder.
Visibility reported ahead.
Okay, thank you.
In 1 mile, keep right to stay on World Drive.
She wants to be a part of the
I know, she does. Anyhow, the Wilderness Lodge, the Whispering Canyon Cafe is part of the 40% off annual pass holder discount for the month of July. So we are trying to hit out check off as many of the restaurants as possible. We have another dining reservation on Wednesday night over at Liberty Tree Tavern for dinner at Magic Kingdom, because that's on the list.
Drive for 7 miles.
She doesn't want to shut up today, does she?
I know.
We got Jameson back here.
Hello.
And it is 10 of 8. Our reservation is at 8:15. Because we have a reservation, we can drive right to the resort and park right at the resort. If we didn't have a reservation, we would have to park at a park and then take transportation to the resort. So we would probably park at Transportation and Ticket at Magic Kingdom and take the boat. But we don't have to worry about this morning. We're on our way. We'll see you there.
Reported ahead.
Very chatty today.
All right, we are entering Wilderness Lodge. I love this resort. All right, we got to stop and tell them we have a reservation. That way they'll let us park.
It's called Whispering Canyon.
Whispering Canyon. All right, we got in no problems. They just check your ID and make sure you're on the reservation list. But we want to go up here to the main parking. That's the bus area over to the right. There's the lodge straight ahead in the fog this morning.
It's kind of pretty in the fog.
It is. It is very pretty in the fog. So the parking is over here to the left. This is where the check-in is. Up top up here.
I probably couldn't just gone that way.
All right, here is Wilderness Lodge.
So, incredible, Dad. This is a box that's massive.
We're heading right in.
It's closing there.
We have 15 minutes before our reservation.
Yep. It'd be chilly in here.
Wilderness Lodge. It's so pretty in this resort. This, I think, is one of my favorites as well. This is definitely top 5. There's Whispering Canyon right to the left when you first walk in the lobby. It looks very quiet. You want to check in now, or you want to wait till the 15? Check in? You probably just check in. And just like that, we're going in. It looks nice and quiet here this morning. Thank you.
Now, okay, besides her, we're missing some ketchup here.
All right, what are we getting? All you care to enjoy signature skillets. All you care to enjoy shapes.
Come on, guys, bring the ketchup over. Get to work. How you guys doing today?
Good, thanks.
I'm doing great. Welcome to Whispering Canyon. First time here?
No.
Oh, welcome back, brave people. All right, what can I get you folks to drink to start?
I'm just gonna do a water. What do you want?
Water.
Chocolate milk.
Water too?
Water.
Decaf coffee.
Decaf coffee.
Yes.
Some water as well, ma'am?
Yes, please.
3 waters and a decaf coffee. I'll try to remember that, guys. All right?
Alrighty.
Just give me an hour. I'll be back.
Thank you.
Look at something.
Oh my goodness. They got a lot of ketchup over there.
Look how much ketchup they have.
Yeah, so if you need ketchup, they'll bring a lot of ketchup over to you.
So what do you say?
You just ask for something and they bring it to you.
Is it ketchup?
Some decaf coffee there.
Thank you.
Creamer here. Some waters for everyone.
Yep.
Any questions so far, guys? Anything can help with the menu?
I think we know what we want.
I mean, if you guys are ready, I'm ready for you. Ma'am?
I'm gonna do the heritage.
The heritage skillet and for you. Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you. So he came in and threw a bunch of napkins and straws at us. First antic of the day. All right, he dropped off some toppings and some empty skillets for us. All you can eat. Looks delicious. Thank you.
My little tiny baby boy.
Oh, so cute. Look at him. Perfect. That's the kids' meal.
Where did I dip my bacon in?
Syrup. Here's our
Baby ketchup.
skillet right here. All we can eat. Mickey waffles, biscuits and gravy, eggs, bacon, sausage, potatoes. It looks delicious.
To be illegal, but yes, I can definitely do that for you, but I need your help. You know how it works. I'm gonna count to 3, and on 3 of y'all gonna say we need ketchup. We're gonna say loud, all right? Okay. 1, 2, 3.
We need ketchup!
Please and thank you. Everybody got ketchup?
Nobody has it. Are we gonna get it? Oh, look. Oh boy, we're getting some ketchup.
Please and thank you, man.
Oh.
Right.
Oh. 4, 5, 6, 7. We got some. How is it? Really
We only
good?
have a few ketchup, okay? Just a few.
Only a few ketchup.
Yeah, just a few.
What's your favorite so far?
Mine?
Yeah,
Oh, probably the waffle.
the waffles. I think the biscuits are
I
good.
like the plate.
Oh, you don't like the plate? Oh. Well, it's a skillet.
I don't like that metal taste.
You can't taste the metal.
Throw me off.
Oh boy.
I want
Daddy
some.
and his OCD.
I want a ceramic plate.
Oh.
Mind your own business.
They got their ketchup. They've got ketchup.
Guys, take a picture of the ketchup and bring the ketchup over.
They're bringing the ketchup over. And Sean got his pond water or lake water right there. Big glass of lake water. He said he freshly took it out of the Bay Lake.
Took a little fish out.
Yeah, he took the fish out of it though.
Could use a bigger glass. But
Yeah, just a little bit. So food was good. Sean didn't like the metal plates. I don't mind the metal plates. He didn't like the sound of the silverware hitting the metal plates.
Don't mind if someone says, I need ketchup.
Yep, there's been ketchup being passed around the whole restaurant.
Yeah, this table will be hot.
Everything was very good, very filling. Again, we got the and all-you-can-eat skillet, which I think is normally $26.
Yep.
It's normally $26 per person. But with the annual pass holder, you get a discount of 40% off. So definitely worth
The
it.
one with the big hat.
Now somebody has a big hat over there. And we are stuffed. Stuffed. Thank you.
Amazing, Mom. This is my favorite restaurant of all.
All right.
I got to get a few ketchup, and I got to give a few ketchup.
All right, let's go see if we can find some pins while we're here in the lodge on this foggy morning. Food was excellent. The front desk should have a pin board. Want to see if they have a pin board up front, Jameson? Let's see if they do. Anything good on this one this morning? Let's see.
Nope.
Let's see the little babbling brook over here. Oh yeah, there's another pin board over here, Jameson. Here's the little babbling brook. It's a geyser inside that's bubbling. Heading outside. Anything good on here? Oh, that's a cool one right there. A feathered headdress. All right, we're gonna go check out the shop, the Mercantile, while we're here. Cute beach towels. Ooh, they're all nice and neat. Oh, look, he's got a lanyard too. That's cool.
Oh, there's a lot. Oh, look at that.
What one? Oh, yes.
This?
Yep.
I can drink for that.
All right.
All right, we walked down to Roaring Fork, which is like the quick service here at Wilderness Lodge. They have these amazing grizzly bear claws, which we're not going to get today, but if you're looking for a yummy snack, they're huge and they're $10.79, but they do also offer a Joffrey's coffee here. So we are getting a coffee to take with us. Hi there. Here's some of their baked goods. Here are the bear claws over here. Look at the size of these.
That thing is ridiculously good.
So good. They
I've
have
had
bear
this.
claws
It's pretty close.
and cinnamon rolls.
This thing is so damn good. I thought they had a Joffrey's menu. The Gold Rush Latte.
So yes, they do have a Joffrey's coffee list. Right there. So we weren't wrong. Sure, grab one. All right, so we just walked out here to this central area where the pool is. It is starting to rain a little bit, but I wanted to just show you how pretty this resort is really quickly. Got the waterfalls.
Oh, it's raining out here.
Yeah, it's raining. It's starting to rain. Glad we're not going to the park today. They're doing a little bit of painting, it looks like. Here's the stream going into the pool. And I think it's going to be kind of a wet, rainy day today. Maybe walk this way. I don't want to get too wet. I do think we're going to get some weather. But here's the Wilderness Lodge map. I definitely want to come back here and do the movie Under the Stars and the marshmallow roasting, because they do that over in that direction over there. But there's the pool. You getting all wet?
Not too much.
We can kind of quickly maybe walk to the geyser. The geyser's in the back here, around this little walkway. This is also the walkway to the boat if you want to hop on the boat to go to Magic Kingdom.
On the bottom floor, just be like, let's go to the pool and step
Yeah,
out.
yeah, you could do that. But it is starting to rain.
Definitely.
Pretty good. We actually were here during Hurricane Irma. We decided to come and stay here at this resort, and we felt super safe here. But here you can see boat transportation, Cascade Cabins, Geyser Point Bar and Grill. Over here is the geyser, and this geyser will go off, I think, every hour. I think that's when it goes off, but it's right in this area, right here. That's where the geyser is. Don't see it even running right now. Usually there's more water running through here. We'll just kind of make a little loop. I think we can make a loop right around. Here's the hot tub. There's 2 hot tubs. It looks like they're doing some work. Looks like they're doing some maintenance and work here. Here's the little stream right here. Little babbling stream. Here's Humphrey's hideout at Disney's Wilderness Lodge. This talks about the happenings for the month or for the summer. So there's all the cool kids summer items happening. Pajama parties, movies under the stars right there. So this says when the movies under the stars are. And all kinds of activities and crafts. All right, I hear Sean. He's got our coffees. There's a little restaurant down that way, and that's kind of where they do the movies under the stars. But it's raining, and we are gonna head, I know, we are gonna head back home. Get out of the rain. Glad.
You're right, this is probably one of the better resorts.
It's so nice here.
Look at that one.
Wow, look at that.
S'mores.
That looks
And then mine
delicious.
was like a, what was it? Something bark?
It was hazelnut and chocolate.
Yeah,
so almost
they
like,
called it like a bark.
Yeah.
Did you want? Well, you're
Sure.
filming it.
That's okay, I can take it. We found quite a few pins on the pins boards here today. I think we traded for 5 or 6 pins, which is good.
Yeah, because I only had about 5 pins. I traded them.
Yep, traded
And
them
guess
all.
what? I'm doing a macarons chip thing, and guess what I got?
All right.
A cool macaron.
Oh, nice. So cool.
I still remember being here during the hurricane.
Mm-hmm.
Eating up there.
Mm-hmm.
Get a price fixed meal.
Yeah, this is Artist Point right here.
It's a really nice whiskey bar. Well, actually, there's a.
This is Territory Lounge right here.
But there's a restaurant past.
Yeah, the restaurant Artist Point is back there. All right, we are gonna head out and head home because it is raining. But that was a fun little morning at the Wilderness Lodge. There is a cool scavenger hunt that you can do here, which we'll have to come back and do sometime. I think I've done it once before. But
A wet day for people going to Disney, huh?
yeah, I know. Wet Disney Day.